So solid in this case is a plate. Now one day I went to a birthday party and all the children ate all the food at the party. And the mum and dad said to me, "Lava Lee, you've got to tidy up." I thought, that's very nice, isn't it? I've got to tidy up a party. So they said, "What should I do?" So I said, "Well, just take the table on the plate, but make sure you don't smash the plate, okay? Because the plate doesn't want to..." Time to break it down. She said, "Make sure you take it off, okay? But when you take it off, make sure it's not going to go and break on the floor, okay?" So I said, "Well, what am I supposed to do? How do I get it off? What do you think I should do?"
There's another person to go in the other side.
Pour the table, okay.
Oh, God.
Go! I need another person. I don't know, I'm sure. No. So you reckon put it really fast? Really hard? Do you think it might break? Are you ready? 1, 2. Should I really do it, should I?
Yeah!
Are you sure? Okay, I do. Are you sure you want to see this? Because I don't want to break it. What? Stay down! There's something else. We need some more. Do you think you might break this time? Because I think if I do it slow enough, it won't break again. No. My slow bones get something. I'm going to bring it around here. Oh, sorry.
You need to take it off.
Oh, okay, that's, yeah. Oh, sorry. Sorry. There we are. Let's try one for you. Boys and girls, the amazing solid trick as performed for the first time live at your school. Should the place break, I will be out the door like a rat. Trust me. Let's do the countdown. Just count them, guys. Count number 10. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, shh. The reason that the plates stay where they were is because the plates are acting on a force called inertia. Can you all see inertia? And what happens is, a force only acts against one force, which will the other way. Okay? If you see, it's a cat. If you can see very carefully, you would have seen the plates and the bowls would have gone up in the air, and gravity would pull them back down there. And therefore, I had the chance to pull the cloth right up my leaf. Okay? Boys and girls, this is mad science. This is a crazy assembly. Did you have fun? Yeah! So, during the day, myself and Cosmic Chloe, the other scientist who's probably setting up in a room exactly at the moment, we're doing lots and lots of workshops, hopefully for most people today. Can you all put your hands up in the air? Can you say, bye-bye, lovely? Bye-bye, lovely! Happy Christmas!
What?
And I'll see the nursery in 15 minutes in the nursery room. So guys, you've got to jump up and go very fast.